Now paper number 34 Cgl. Now in this 15, 9, 14 and so on. Any answer to this one? No? Now 15. What is 15 square? Now 225. 2 plus 5 is how much? 9. And in the same way, now 42. And what is 42 square? 1764. 1764, the sum is how much? 18. And in the same way, 14. 196. 1 plus 9 plus 6. How much is that? And 16. 16, that is choice for question number 1. Then coming to question number 2. My second one, chesara. Now 8 plus 7, 15. Minus the second number 5. Now 6 plus 7, 13. And minus 36. 13 minus 36, that is minus 23. And in the same way, 5 plus 8, 13. And 13 minus something must be 2. That means here it must be how much? 11. 13 minus 11, that is 2. And 2 is the answer that is given in choice. And 11. 11, that is choice 2. Must it be the 13 minus 11, that is 2. Then coming to question number 3. Now in the third one. Then the following minus interchange with plus. Now this is plus and this is minus. And 2 is interchange with 1. Now 2 interchange with 1, then which equation will be correct? And 2 interchange with 1, then, are you getting the answer here? Now 2 is interchanging with 1, 2 and 1 are interchanging. Now 2 and 1 are interchanging, then which 2 must be interchanged here? Now here 22 plus 51 and minus 100, it cannot be 37. Then coming to choice 2 here, now in choice 2, 21 and 42. Now 2 and 1 are interchanging. Now if 2 is interchanged with 1, now can you write this number as 12? Then if you write this number as 12, 12 minus 42 plus 74. Then what is the value here? 74, 86. Minus 42 cannot be this one. Then here 19. 19 means 2 and 1 must be interchanged. Now 29 minus and 68 and 68 and plus how much? Now plus and minus should also be interchanged. And plus and minus are interchanged. This is 29 plus now 68 minus 32. And 32 means 31. Then what is the value of this one? Now here the value is 56. Are you getting the answer here? Most of the answer. And what is the sum here? And 29 and 60. 19 and 68. Now this 19 will become 1 and 29. Minus will become plus. And next one, this 68 will become, and 68 will be as it is. And now this will be minus. Now 32, 2 must be interchanged with what? 1. 31. Then what is the value of this? Sum of these two minus 2. 68 minus 2, 66 is the number here. It is not 56. Then coming to the next choice. Now 2 and 1 are interchanging. Now this will be 13 plus 34 minus 42. And 13 plus 34, 47 minus 42, 5. Choice 4 is the answer, question number 3. Then coming to question number 4. Any answer to this one, question number 4? 578. Why it is 578? 578 ఎలా వచ్చింది? Now 578. Now tell me why it is 578. What is the sum of the digits here? Now the digits is so much 11. And here 2 plus 9, 11 plus 4, 15. And 5 plus 5 plus 2. And 15 plus 5, 20. Then except choice 1. And in the remaining sum of the digits are what? Composite numbers. Here the sum of the digits is prime, that is choice 1. Clear now? Because there are how many even numbers? 2 even numbers, 2 odd numbers. And 2 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. And at the same time, there are only 2 numbers that are multiples of 3. Isn't it? Hence, it cannot be your answer here. Hence, among this one, except choice 1. The remaining are what? The remaining are multiples. Then, Now 7 multiples, is there any 7 multiples here? Now 294 is a multiple of 7, isn't it? Then this one, can we divide this one by 7? Now this is again 7 multiple. Now 7 3s, and next one, 7 3 is 21 and 35. It is a multiple of 7. Now 7 7s 49 and 35. Now here 7 8 is 56 and 18. And so what is your answer? Choice 4 is the answer. Except choice 4. And the remaining can be written as multiples of 7. Done? Now if you are not getting any answer with multiples, then you need to go for digits. Digit is the last priority. Then except choice 4, the remaining can be written as multiples of 7. Now దీనికి multiples of 7 అని ఎందుకు వచ్చని చెప్పినాను sudden గా? And first we had discussed about something, but where suddenly we have come to multiples of 7. Because 294. Now this 294 can be written as 7 cube minus 7 square. That means it is a multiple of 7. That is the reason we have checked out for the remaining numbers as well. The next one question, 294 ekkada undi manaki number? That was given in that box. Box lo 100 numbers lo 294 is a crucial number here. Then coming to question number 5. Now in this question number 5, I and n. And plus 5, n plus 5 is s. And s plus 5 is x. And L and O plus 3. O plus 3 R. R plus 3 is U. S and R. Then choice to question number 5. Then question number 6. Now in this sixth one, and 69 and 33. Now 69, 33 into 2. How much? 66 plus 3. Or minus 3 divided by 2. 69 minus 3. 66 by 2, 33. 87 minus 3. 84. 84 by 2 and 42. Choice 1, question number 6. Then seventh one. Now in the 7, 4 number of pairs were given. Select the number of pairs that is different. Now 12 into how much? 12 into 8 is 96. Now 13 into 8 is 104. And 14 into 8. Yes, what is 14 into 8? And 14 into 8. And 112. The last digit must be 2 and this is the odd one. 9 8 is 72. Except choice 3. First number into 8 is the second number. The next one, question number 8. Some water is ice. Water and ice, water and ice. And in the same way, no ice is cool. No intersection between ice and a cool. And some cool is not water, definitely true. Some water is not cool, that is also true. Now both these two are negative conclusions. Now to make this one false, now we need to prove all cool is water. This entire cool is a part of this water. Is it possible to write cool like this or not? Hence all cool is water is true, some cool is not water will become false. And some water is not cool. Now to make this one false, I need to write all water is cool. Can I write like this cool? If I write cool like this, no IESC will become false. Hence, second one cannot be false at least once, only 2 follows, and that is given in choice for question number 8. Then coming to question number 9. Now in this ninth one, 8, 9, 64. Now 2 cube, 3 square. 4 cube, 5 square. 6 cube, 7 square. Alternately cubes and squares. And 49 choice to question number 9. And 10th one, D and H. Plus 4, H plus 4, L, L plus 4 is P. F and J, plus 4, N plus 4 is what? R. And P and R, choice to question number 10. Then 11th one. Now in a row of 15, when Leela is shifted 5 places to the right, she became 12th from the left hand side. After changing 5 places towards the right hand side, now this person has become 12th from the left. And without that change, and this person will be 7th from the left hand. On again, 5 places towards right hand side, now this person has become 12th from. What was the earlier position from the left hand side? Earlier position 7th, that is choice 3. Done with this? Then coming to question number 12. Now in this question number 12, all these mobiles are batteries. Now this entire mobiles is a part of batteries. This entire mobiles are batteries. And only a few batteries are cells. Only some of the batteries are cells, but not all. And no mobile is a cell, that is definitely true. All cells are mobile is a possibility. Now no mobile is a cell. To make this one false, I can able to prove some mobiles are cell. Hence first conclusion has become false. All cells are mobile is a possible. This entire cell is a part of this mobile. Can I bring cell like this or not? Now this mobile, this entire battery cannot be a part of cell. This cell can be a part of this mobile. And so what is your answer here? Only 2. Only 2 follows, that is given in choice 3, question number 12. The next one, 13th one. Now in this question number 13, perpetual and incessant. Then what do you mean of these two? These two are nothing but synonyms to each other. In perpetual is nothing but unending, isn't it? Incessant means it is continuous process. And these two are what? These two are synonyms to each other and obsolete. What do you mean by this word obsolete? Out of and out of use, isn't it? Out of fashion and all these called obsolete. Then, now in the same way, now this obsolete and archaic is one and the same, out of use. Then coming to 14. Now Sushil is better player than Anil. Now this Sushil is better player than whom? Anil, but not as tall, as good as Raja. Hence Raja is better than this Sushil. Anil is better player than Jamal. Anil is better player than Jamal. Kapil is better player than Sushil, but not as good as Raja. Hence Kapil must be in between Sushil and Raja. And who is the best player among these? Raja, that is choice 1, question number 14. Then 15th one. Now in this 15, then we need to arrange all these in a particular order here. Meaningful order. Meaningful order first. Now it is a member. Now from member, and it is a family. Next to family, it is a community. Then locality, finally it is country. And it's 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, choice 3, question number 15. Then 16th one. Now in this 16, minus stands for what? Minus stands for division. Minus stands for division, plus means into, and so on. Then which are the following expression? Then minus stands for what? Division. And into stands for what? Plus. And division stands for minus. And plus stands for into. Then what is the value of this? 63 divided by 21, the value is so much 3 plus 6 minus 8. Now 11. And 3 plus 6, 9 minus 8, it is just 1. Here it is 2, it cannot be answer. Then 52 division. Division stands for what? Minus. The next one, plus stands for what? Into. And into stands for what? And into stands for plus. And finally division. 8 divided by 2, 4. Then 52 minus, and this is 8. Now here 8 divided by 2, 4. 52 plus 4, 56. And 56 minus 20. 36, that is choice 2. 16, that is choice 2. Then 17. Now Shivam walked 20 kilometers towards east. Now this is the starting point of Shivam. From here he walks 20 kilometers towards east. Then turned right and walked how many kilometers? 25 kilometers. Then he turned west and walked 20 kilometers. From here 20 kilometers towards west. And finally turning left he walked how many meters? 20 kilometers. Then how far is he now from the starting point? Now from here the distance between these two is almost 25. And this is 20. That is 45. That is choice 4. Question number 17, 45. Then 18th one, peeve and vex. Then what do you mean by this one here? And both these two are what? And peeve and vex. And these two are synonyms to each other. And peeve and vex. And in the same way, and hex and jink. And these two are synonyms. Yes, what do you mean by this one? Peevish? Peeve? Ma peeve ane word ekkada vaadara? Peeve. Now peevish. Peevish means chiraku paddam. Chiraku undadanni peeve antaru. Isn't it? Irritating. Now peeve is nothing but irritating. Now if one irritates, then what happens to this one? You will get vexed. Isn't it? And similarly hex and zinc. Now one quote by this. Ssc Cgl session eppudaina vinnara adi? And Ssc Cgl in British Parliament. Isn't it? Viral ayindi chala adi. Now Ssc Cgl in that British Parliament while giving this one. Now while describing about that pre-independence era. And that too, and when discussing about this Churchill. Now this Churchill has sent all the food grains that were in Bengal to the other countries. Isn't it? Now Great Famine, Bengal Great Famine, 1929. Ela vachindi akkadi nunchi? Because of this one. and they have transported entire the grains into European countries. Now these people are dying because of hunger, isn't it? Now at that time, that what do you say, the British High Commander now wrote to this Churchill, many people are dying because of the food, hence please send some groceries and రాశారు. రాసేటప్పుడు ఏమని చెప్పండి, now that Churchill now wrote on that, what do you say, on the letter, if many people are dying, why now, ఇక్కడ మనకి శశి థరూర్ అక్కడ వాడిన వర్డ్ చూడండి. Now Churchill previously written on that అన్నాడు. Churchill previously written on that one, why hasn't Gandhi died yet? Isn't it? ఇంతమంది చనిపోతున్నారు, మీరు ఫుడ్ అది పంపించండి అని చెప్తే వీడియో రాశాడు చెప్పండి, చర్చిల్ చిరాకుతో రాశాడంట, అందుకే previously అంటాడు. Now previously he wrote on that one that why hasn't Gandhi died yet? ఇంకా గాంధీ ఇంకెందుకు చనిపోలేదని మళ్ళీ లెటర్ రాసి పంపించాడు. Isn't it? అది ఇంకొకసారి చూడండి, and you will clearly understand the word previously. Previously means chirakuga rasadu. And then next one, and hex and zincs. Then coming to question number 19. Now in this question number 19, OCCULT. Now OCCULT, and it is written as DBP-UKV and DBP-UKV. Then what is the relation between these two? Yes, any answer to this one? Then question number 19, Amajapal answer. Now here, O and P. Now O and P, O plus 1 is P written in the reverse. C minus 1 and C plus 1D. Sarvendra. And U plus 1 is V, L minus 1 is K, T plus 1 is U. And so plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, then they were written in the reverse. Then in the same way, native. N-A-T-I-V-E, native. Now in this native, these are the three. And N. N plus 1 is what? O. A minus 1 Z. T plus 1 is U. I plus 1 J, V minus 1 U, E plus 1 is F, U Z O, F U Z. Choice 1, question number 19. Then coming to this 20th, Ravi introduces Akash as the son of, Ravi introduces Akash. Akash is the son of the only sister of his father's wife. His father means whose father's wife? Who is the speaker here? Ravi is the speaker, his father. Ravi is here and Ravi's father is there, A. Ravi's father's wife is none other than Ravi's mother. Ravi's mother's only sister is C, and C's son. And C's son, who is this person? Akash. C's son is Akash. Ravi's father's wife is Ravi's mother. Ravi's mother's only sister. Now only sister's son is Akash. Then how is this Ravi and Akash related to each other? Cousins to each other, choice 4. Then next one, coming to question number 21. Now in this 21, brother, husband, man, and so on. Brother, husband, man, and so on. Then how to represent this one? Now brother and husband. Now these two persons are what? These two persons are males, isn't it? That means there are some brothers who are husband. All brothers are not husband, all husbands are not brothers. There are some brothers who are husband. Both brother as well as husband, and these two are what? These two are men. And so what is your answer? Choice 2, question number 21. Then coming to question number 22, it is based on paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this paper folding and paper cutting, what is the information we have here? Then, now from here to here, that has been opened like this. Now it is what? It is a mirror image. Again, these 4 elements will be like that. And again, these 4 will be open. And so all these 4 must be together like this, choice 3. So when the 22nd? 22nd it is choice. Then 23rd, now in this one we need to complete the figure. Now in order to complete the figure here, now to complete the figure, as tell me what is the answer we are getting here? Isn't it? Then choice, no, Ilarava. Now in this one choice, 4 or choice 3, choice 4 or choice 3, choice 3, choice 4. Now it is not starting at the center, it is from this place. As it is this from place, choice 4 is the answer, 23rd. Then 24 chesara. Now which is opposite to 4 dots. Now 4 ki opposite emundi ani sediga. Now 4 ki ekkada ledu manaki. Avuna kada. 4 ledu kabatti ikkada 1 ki 5 ki కామన్ గా ఏ సైడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇది ఉంది ఇది ఉంది, అంతే కదా. 1 and 5 కి రెండిట్లకి కామన్ గా ఉండేది. ద face which is above and the face which is bottom. Above is what? 2. 1 కి 5 కి 2 ఉంది, 1 కి 5 కి 4 ఉంది. 1 and 5 కి కామన్గా ఉంది 2 and 4. కనుక 2 ఇక్కడ ఉంటే 4 ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? బాటమ్. And 4 కి ఆపోజిట్ 2, choice 1 24. And finally 25. Now in this 25 we need to find out the correct mirror image placed at its right hand side. And right hand side mirror image, now these two elements should be, this shading this shading should go to this place. Now 2 is like this. Now this cannot be like this, isn't it? Now these are the areas and G is like this, choice 2. Must have been the choice 2? No, choice 2 is the answer. This is about 25. Clear?